Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a crucial accessory for anyone with a Roland RD-300SX keyboard, a replacement AC-DC adapter from ReviewRoland. If you've lost your original power supply or it stopped working, finding a reliable replacement is essential to keep your instrument powered up. This particular adapter is specifically designed as a compatible replacement for the Roland RD-300SX model. The listing makes it very clear that this adapter is only for the RD-300SX and will not fit or work with other keyboard models, even from Roland. This specificity is important, so users need to double-check their keyboard model before purchasing. It's presented as a non-OEM, brand-new, high-quality power supply. While not the original Roland part, it claims 100% compatibility with the RD-300SX. The adapter features a generous 7-foot-long cable, which offers good flexibility for setting up your keyboard without being right next to a power outlet. In terms of power specifications, it accepts a wide input voltage range from 100V to 240V, making it suitable for use worldwide. The output current is rated at 1 amp. A key selling point highlighted by ReviewRoland is the inclusion of multiple safety protections. This adapter comes with over voltage output protection, over current output protection, and short circuit output protection. These features are designed to protect both the adapter itself and, more importantly, your valuable keyboard from potential electrical issues. ReviewRoland positions itself as a provider of premium power adapters and explicitly asks not to be confused with lower quality options available on the market. The adapter is black in color and holds a CE certification, indicating it meets certain European safety standards. Overall, for Roland RD-300SX owners in need of a replacement power supply, this ReviewRoland adapter appears to be a solid option based on the provided details. Its specific compatibility, safety features, worldwide input capability, and longer cable length are notable benefits. It's designed purely as a functional replacement to get your RD-300SX back in action.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.